Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. I'm Labor FX, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe to this channel, and I tell you, you won't regret coming to this university. So guys, today, like I promised, I was going to teach you your base and quote currency. Okay, I'm going to also teach you how to execute a trade in your MT4 or your MT5. Okay, so please, I want you to sit down, relax. It's going to be a short video. Sit down, relax, and listen. Okay, especially if you are a newbie, you need to know these things. It's very, very important that you know your base currency. You know what the candlesticks represent, if it's a base currency or the quote currency. Okay, if you are buying, which of the candlestick represents the base currency, and if you are selling, which of the candlestick represents the quote currency. Okay, and I'll also give you reasons why they are called the base and the quote currency. So it's very, very important. And if you have not gone through my previous video on currency pairs, please do so. Make sure you go search for it. You're going to see it on my page. So listen to it to the end and follow up. If I promise you, if you keep following me, you will become a pro in this forex market. Guys, now let me take you to, so you have to pay much attention because I'm going to be taking you on a screen record. Okay, so please follow up and grab the gist. Make sure you subscribe and keep following. Thanks.
So, guys, we talked about currency pairs on my previous video. We also talked about the base and the quote currency. So now, if you look at this, these are all currency pairs, right? Now, when I was talking about the major and minor currency, I told you, if you could remember, that major currencies are currencies with US dollar that are paired with US dollar. So you can see this EURUSD. This is Euro USD. EU, Euro US dollar. Okay? So now, in this case now, Euro is the base currency while USD is the quote currency. You get what I'm saying? So when you execute a market with this currency pair, this very currency pair, when you execute a market with this, let's say you execute for a buy, it therefore means you are saying that Euro USD, this guy is strong. Sorry, you are saying that Euro, this guy is stronger than USD. So EU, you are saying, is stronger than the US dollar at the point of your buying, for you to buy. Then if you sell, you are saying that the US dollar is stronger than what? Than the euro. I don't know if you're understanding. So now let's say you want to execute a trade now, and you have done your analysis and you say, okay, at this point I want to buy. Now if you are buying, just know that the currency pair you are buying at that point is euro. Okay, and when you, let's say you analyze the market and the market is asking you to sell, right? Now when you sell, the currency pair you are selling at that point is what? Is the USD. So now let us open, for instance, let's open a chart. The chart, let me show you on the chart. Let me expand this. So I'm using MT4 to just take you this quickly since it's a screen. So now if you look at this now, you see that the green candlesticks you see are the bullish candlesticks. So when I mean bullish candlesticks, I mean they are candlesticks that are trending upwards, while the red candlesticks are the bearish candlesticks. Okay, so you can see the green, you can see the red. Okay, so what the bearish candlesticks are the candlesticks trending downward. So when we say that we are buying, it therefore means we are going bullish in the market, and when we are selling, we are going bearish in the market. You can see, for instance, you see this guy now. What does this green candle represent? This green candlestick represents what? The base currency, which is euro, while the red one here represents what? The quote currency. So when you are buying, you are saying that at the point of your buying, that euro is stronger than dollar, but when you are selling, you are saying that dollar is stronger than what? Euro. So you can see that whenever you are buying, you are saying the candlestick is going upward, that's bullish, and whenever you are selling, it is coming downward, that is bearish. So you now understand what the base and the code currency means and what they represent, even in the candlestick. So it applies to every other currency pair here. Okay, so GBP USD, for instance, GBP is the base currency and USD is the code currency. You see, so these are all major currencies. GBP is a major currency because it is attached to US dollar. Euro is a major currency because it is attached to US dollar. USD JPY is a major currency pair because it is attached to US. So this, all these currency pair attached to US dollar are major currency pairs. But you can see AUD NZD, okay, that's Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. These are minor currency pairs. These are AUD card, that's Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. You can see these are all minor pairs. You see AUD CHF, okay, these are all minor currency. Also note that this guy XAU USD is not a currency pair because this is what we call gold. Okay, this is what we call gold. Gold is not a currency pair. XAU is not a currency pair at all. So guys, to execute a trade, now let me show you how you execute a trade. When you come to your MT4, okay, sorry, let's go back here. When you come to your MT4, right, what you just do is you long press any currency pair you want to trade, right? Then you click on new order. So before then, you must have you must have opened the chart to see what the chart is looking like. And it is always good to analyze your chart on your trading view. Okay, there's an app called trading view. That is what you use, not this MT4. You use your trading view to analyze. You're not using MT4 or MT5. Okay, the best place to analyze, and I told you, buy your laptop. So now when you long press that, it will write new order, open chart. Okay, if you want to see, look at the chart, fine, but now you click on new order, right? So when you click on new order, you see you have instant execution here. So from my analysis, let's say I have analyzed this market and I decide to what? To sell this market. But before that, remember I told you about lot sizes. I explained what a lot size is. I told you about the standard lot size. I told you about the mini lot size. I told you about the micro lot size. And I told you about the nano lot. Okay? So now you can see that 0.01 is what? This is a micro lot size. But if this is it, this is where you have your lot size, right? Before you trade, always go through this and make sure that you trade your lot size accurately. Now it depends on the amount of money you have on your account. And I told you, for instance, let's say you have $100, you are trading with at least $100. What you do, you simply come to your calculator, right? You simply go to your calculator, okay, and you say, you divide capital by 5,000. You say 100 divided by 5,000, by 5,000, it will give you 0.02. So the lot size I'm going to use for $100 capital is simply 0.02. So I come back to my my MT4, and I'll put 0.02 because I'm just assuming my account size is $100. So if I have 500, for instance, I have $500. So what I just simply do is I'll say 500 divided by 5,000. It gives me 0.1. Okay, 0.1 lot size. So I will come here, which is a mini lot size. I come here and put 0.1 lot size. So it will be 0.1. That's the lot size you are using, right? Now you can do what? Either sell the market or you buy the market. So you see, now when you sell or buy, it depends on the lot size you have used. Okay, you are going to be making money from the lot size you have used. So now, if you want to close this trade, for instance, now, okay, if you want to close the trade, what you do is you long press, you close order. You see, close order. You long press here, you close order. So you see, it's as simple as that. But now, when we get to technical analysis, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you how to do what? How to do instant. See what I was telling you? You have to do what we just did now is called instant execution because we had to put in the order instantly. But there are times when we need to do what we call buy limits, what we call sell limits, what we call buy stop or sell stop. Okay, that I'm going to show you on my trading view when we go to the next video. So guys, I'm going to bring out the next video. I'll show you how to do buy stop. I'll show you how to do sell stop. I'll show you how to do buy limit and sell limit. Okay. So, but if you want to put in your trade instantly, you have seen what I was talking about. It's as easy as that. So, whichever currency pair you want to trade, okay, you just open here. If you want to open the chart, you open the chart and see what is happening in the market. Okay. So, whenever the market is coming down, we have not gotten to this stage, but I'm going to show you that what the trends are, bullish and bearish. So let's move to the next video. I hope you have understood this a bit. God bless you all. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm still Labor FX. God bless.